Did you know you can make a diffuser blend that smells like a peppermint latte? Yum yum! Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth. I love teaching you how to turn your essential oils into products that you can use every day in your home. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own diffuser blend that uses notes of peppermint and vanilla. It's uplifting and calming, just like a peppermint latte. You're going to love it. Turn off your distractions because making is healing. Let's make this peppermint latte diffuser blend from Simply Earth right now. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to create your own essential oils. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY diffuser box. When you subscribe to our Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box, you will get the key ingredients you need to make natural recipes, and you'll master a new theme each month. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find the ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from the Simply Earth diffuser box. It has a variety of diffuser-themed recipes, including the peppermint latte diffuser blend we're going to be making in this wonderful video. For this recipe, you are going to need 3 drops of the Timber Essential Oil, which has a nice vanilla aroma. You will need 1 drop of the Peppermint Essential Oil, which is nice and minty. You will also need a 5 milliliter bottle, which you can get from your big bonus box, and you'll need a diffuser from your home. This is the Simply Earth Stone Diffuser available on our website. This recipe is super easy. All you do is you take your 3 drops of the Timber, your 1 drop of peppermint. That was it, 2 steps. Not only was it so easy with only 2 steps, it smells amazing. Just like a peppermint latte, you are going to want this. I know you're gonna love this blend, you're gonna love this scent, and I already showed you how easy it was to make. If you're like me, you're gonna wanna have this on stock. So I'm gonna show you how to make a master blend. Okay, you're gonna need 75 drops of Timber. Next, you add 25 drops of the peppermint oil. Add the cap, shake. Voila! Don't forget to label it. To use this master blend, you want to start with 3 to 5 drops in your diffuser. Depending on how strong you want the scent, your diffuser or the size of the room, you may need to add a little more or a little less, but 3 to 5 is a good starting point. I'd love to see your creations on social media. So when you make this recipe, take a photo of your creation and tag from Simply Earth and add hashtag I made this so that I can see it. You will automatically be entered into our hashtag I made this challenge, and you could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. How easy is that? Follow us for more recipes like this one.